Okay, so question number 8. Y of x, y is equal to y of x be a solution of the curve of the differential equation is given है. ठीक है, so differential equation क्या given है, 1 plus x square dy plus y minus tan inverse of x dx is equal to 0. ठीक है ना, so it is in this very standard form. If I convert it, if I divide by 1 plus x square, what will becoming dy by dx, okay, plus y upon 1 plus x square. This I am transferring this side, tan inverse of x divided by 1 plus x square. तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में dy by dx plus f of x into y is equal to f of x. करेक्ट. सो जनरल सोल्यूशन क्या रहता है इसका, y into इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर is equal to integration of integrating factor into this f of x or g of x, whatever it will be there, plus c. Correct. Suppose integrating factor formula is what, e to the power integration of this term in terms of y is what, 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. It is nothing but what, it is nothing but tan inverse x. Correct. Okay, now general solution, y into integrating factor is equal to integration of integrating factor into g of x is nothing but tan inverse of x upon 1 plus x square dx plus c. So here directly you can see, if I put tan inverse x is equal to t, then dx, if I differentiate this thing, what will be coming, dt is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Correct. Just replace the thing, y into t e power t, this sum become dt, this become t, so t into e power t dt plus c. Correct. So now I just simplify, use the formula here directly. Okay, integration by parts. So t is your first term because I let, okay, inverse trigonometric function, logarithmic function, algebraic function, trigonometric function and exponential. So algebraic we have to take as a first function, t into integration of e power t is e power t only, minus integration of differentiation of t is 1, integration of e power t is e power t, and if I again integrate, what will be coming, e power t plus c. Correct. Now you just replace, you just divide by t, y is equal to e power t minus e power t, okay, yeah, e power t is there, not t, e power t, just divide by e power t, what is remaining, t minus 1 plus c into e to the power minus t. Okay, replace t as a tan inverse of x, so y is equal to tan inverse of x minus 1 plus c times e to the power minus of tan inverse of x. Correct. Now use the given condition, what is given, y of 0 is equal to 1 to get the constant. So 0 you can put it, tan inverse of 0 is 0 minus 1 plus c e to the power minus 0, so it is also 1. Therefore from here c is equal to 2 you are getting. So now what value you needed, y of 1, put the value, tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4 minus 1 plus c value is 2 into e to the power tan inverse of 1 again minus pi by 4, so can I write e to the power pi by 4, check the option, 2 upon e to the power pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus 1, option A is correct or 1 is correct. Okay, next question. So here we have to find out a number of strictly increasing function f from the set 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, to the set 1 to up to 9. Okay, such that condition is given f of I should not be equal to I, and you can take the value of I from 1 to 6. Okay, now so f1 you cannot take, so what, how much value to take? 6. So you can subtract 1, answer will be directly at 6 c 6. It is nothing but what, 8 into 7 by 2, 4 into 7, 28. Option number 4 is correct. Easy question. Now next, function is given r from 0 to infinity be a twice differential function such that f of 3 is equal to 18 is given, f dash of 3 is given 0, and f double dash of 3 is given 4. Okay, so you have to find out limit x tend to 1 ln of this thing by this. If you check it properly, f of it is nothing but, if I put x is equal to 1, f of 3, okay, divide by f of 3 by f of 3 is nothing but 1, and if I put x is equal to 1, it is 1 by 0 is infinity, it is nothing but a 1 to the power infinity form. So we know the formula for that. What is the formula? Therefore limit value if I directly calculate e to the power limit x tend to 1, this g of x you have to write. What is g of x? 18 upon x minus 1 whole square into f of x minus 1. What is f of x? F of 2 plus x upon f of 3 minus 1. Correct. So you have to use this formula. Now you just simplify the thing. E to the power limit x tend to 1. Okay, now it is in the form of ln. This total will be in terms of ln. So ln an will be cancelled directly. Limit only remaining. Limit x tend to 1. Okay, if you check it here, it is in the 0 by 0 form. If I put here, it is 0. Okay, 3 by 3, 1 minus 1, 0. Correct now? So you can take the constant outside. What is the constant here? 18, and f of 3 will be cancelled out because f of 3 is nothing but 18. Correct? So what is remaining? I just write one time. 2 plus x. Okay. Minus f of 3, actually you have to multiply here, then you have to divide by x minus 1 whole square. Right now? So what is the value of f of 3? Actually f of 3 is nothing but 18. Okay. So it is now in the 0 by 0 form. Now again you just apply the L'Hospital rule. So f dash of 2 plus x divided by 2 into x minus 1. Again it is in the 0 by 0 form. Again you just differentiate. Limit x tend to 1, f double dash of 2 plus x divided by 2. So f double dash of 3 divided by 2. What is f double dash of 3 is given 4. So final answer become 4 by 2 is 2. Which option is correct? Option number 3 is correct. Correct. So next question number 11. Let the foci of the hyperbola coincide with the foci of the ellipse. Okay. Ellipse equation is given x square plus 36 plus y square plus 6 is equal to 1. If the eccentricity of the hyperbola is given 5, then the length of its lattice rectum. चलो ठीक है, इसको कैसे करेंगे सॉल्व? एक लेते हैं इलिप्स इस साइड और इस साइड ले लेते हैं हाइपरबोला. सो इलिप्स के बारे में व्हाट वी इज गिवन एक्स स्क्वायर बाय 36 प्लस वाई स्क्वायर बाय 16 इज इक्वल टू 1. इक्वेशन इज गिवन. ठीक है. फोका ऑफ द हाइपरबोला coincide with the foci of the ellipse. ठीक है. If the eccentricity of the hyperbola is given 5, okay, then the length of its lattice rectum. So lattice rectum length you have to find out for the hyperbola. Okay, so here we can calculate the eccentricity of the ellipse. What is the formula we have? B square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Correct, because a is greater than b. So put the value. B square is 16 by 36 is equal to 1 minus e square. So e square is nothing but 1 minus 16 by 36. Let us calculate the value. 36 minus 16 is nothing but 20 by 36. So eccentricity is coming root 20 by 6. Root 20 is nothing but 4 root 5. 2 root 5, correct? 4 into 5, 2 root 5 by 6. So root 5 by 3. E is coming here root 5 by 3 for the ellipse, correct? So now use the condition foci of the hyperbola. Foci of the ellipse. What is foci of the ellipse? Foci is nothing but AE, 0. So AE ले लिया foci. What is the value of A here? 6. 6 into this. 6 into root 5 by 3. So 2 root 5. Okay, so here you have to equate foci of the hyperbola. Okay, so let's take the foci of the hyperbola will be E, 0 only, correct? Foci AE is equal to 2 root 5. So E is given 5. 2 root 5. So what will be coming? A 2 by root 5. Okay, if you get the value of A, so length of lattice rectum formula is 2b square by A. So you can use the here for hyperbola equation. Relation between E, A and B is nothing but what? B square is equal to A square into E square minus 1, correct? So put the value. We have A, we have E, you just generate the B. So B square is equal to A square if I put 4 by 5. Okay, so 25 minus 1 is 24. So B square is nothing but 24 into 4 by 5, correct? So directly I'm using length of lattice rectum 2 into B square by, what is the base B square value? 24 into 4 by 5 into what is the value of A? A is 2 by root 5. 2 by root 5. Just cancel out the term. What is possibility? 2 cancel here. This will be 96 by root 5. So here if you check option number 3 is correct.